Hi everyone, this is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to discuss about application of the Laplace transformation for solving differential equation. Here I have taken one second order differential equation and the two conditions are given here. We have to solve for x of t. Here the x used in this equation, x is the function of time. Please watch this video till the end so that you will be very clear about how to solve the differential equation by using the concept of the Laplace transformation. And if you don't subscribe my channel yet, please make sure to subscribe it and press the bell icon for instant notification of all the uploaded videos from this channel. Without wasting any further time, let's go ahead. Here the given differential equation. Here the given is, this is the given differential equations. D square x over dt square plus 9x is here equals to cosine 2t. Here the t represents the time, and we have to solve for x of t by using these conditions. Okay, first of all, let's use the Laplace transformation on the both side of this given equation. Taking the very first step is taking Laplace transformation on both sides. Here the Laplace transformation of the Laplace transformation of left hand side is the Laplace transformation of individual terms. So this will be Laplace transformation of d square x over dt square plus Laplace transformation of 9x is here equals to Laplace transformation of cosine 2t. Here we have just taken the Laplace transformation on both sides and we distribute the Laplace transformation on each term. Okay, and the Laplace transformation of this differentiation second order derivative is just, here the order is 2, here the 2, so we have to take s square, and here the small x is used, so we have to take the capital X of s. The Laplace transformation of small x is capital X of s. S is the frequency domain here, and we have to give the minus sign. Here we have to reduce the power of s by 1. Here the power of s is 2, so we have to do the 1 decrement in the power. 2 minus 1 gives just 1, s to the power 1, and here the small x, so x small x of 0, it is the functional value at t equals to 0, and we have to do the minus again, minus, we have to reduce the power by 1, 1 minus 1, s to the power 1 minus 1, 0, s to the power 0 gives just 1 times, and we have to do the derivative of this. Derivative of this is just x prime at the same point 0. Okay, this is just the Laplace transformation of the first term. This is the Laplace transformation of this first term. And similarly here we can take the number 9 is the coefficient Laplace transformation of x, and this is just Laplace transformation of x is capital X of s in the s domain, here equals to, and the Laplace transformation of cosine t is here the coefficient of the t is 2, so s over, please remember this formula, Laplace transformation of cosine function is just s over s square plus omega square. Here the in place of omega, here the coefficient of the t is taken as the omega, here the t coefficient of the t is here 2 square gives just 4. This is the Laplace transformation of cosine of t, cosine of 2t. Okay, and let's plug in the values of, here the values of x of 0 is given here just 1, and so, and here this is just 1, we can substitute in place of x of 0 is a 1, and here x prime at the point 0, here x prime, this is the first derivative of that function at the point t equals to 0. Let's suppose this is the, its value is not given here, let's suppose it is the capital A, let's suppose, and our equations will be in terms of A. Okay, this will be just s square x of s minus this is just 1 times s gives s minus this is here suppose it is a plus 9 x of s equals to s over s square plus 4. Let's rearrange the term to find the value of x of s. Therefore, the value of the x of s is just here s square, sorry, s by s square plus 4. We have to we can shift this minus s to the right hand side plus s and minus a plus a, and we have to divide this whole all over divided by your coefficient of the x square is just s square, sorry, coefficient of the x of s is just s square plus here the coefficient of x of s is just 9. Here we have just find out the value of the x of s in the frequency domain. And let's rearrange this term. Let's simplify this term. This can be written as just distributing this this divisor to each terms. Let's distribute this common denominator to each term, and this will be s square plus 4 times, sorry, s square plus 9. This is the first term plus s over s square plus 9 plus a over s square plus 9. Here we have just distributed this common denominator s square plus 9 to each terms. Okay, and then let's and this term, this is just s. This term, this first term can be written as s, and here this is just 1 over s square plus 4 times s square plus 9 plus this is just s by s square plus, and the 9 can be written as 3 square plus a over s square plus 3 square. Okay, this is the value of the x of s, and here s is just s, and this can be written as just 1 over s square plus 4 minus 1 over s square plus 9. And here these terms will goes here and this term will goes here, and the s square will be cancelled it out. 9 minus 4 gives 5, so we have to divide it by 5. Here we have just written this form in the here the two terms, in terms of the two terms. This is 5. The 5 comes here from, if we take the LCM of the denominator, then these terms will goes here, this term will goes here, s square plus 9 minus this minus s square plus 4, then s square will be cancelled it out. 9 minus 4 gives 5. 5 will be in the numerator, and this 5 will cancel it out because our numerator is just 1. So this can be written as s by s square plus 3 square plus a over s square plus 3 square. This is the value of just x of s. Let's transform the let's take the inverse Laplace transform of this x of s. It is just the small x, and it is the function of t, small x t, and this is here equals to, we can distribute this s to each terms here, 1 over 5, and here this can be written as just s over s square plus 4 minus s over s square plus 9 plus this is just s by s square plus 3 square a over s square plus 3 square. We can accumulate the like terms here, and the Laplace transform, inverse Laplace transform is here taken. So inverse Laplace transform, and this is just 1 over 5, and the inverse Laplace transform of this is just cosine, here the 4, so it is the perfect square, it is the square of 2t cosine 2t minus this is just cosine 3t plus this is just cosine 3t plus a times this is the sine 3t. We have just used the inverse Laplace transform here. This is the value of the x of t. Here we have find out the x of t in terms of the a here. For solving for the a, for finding a, we have to use the conditions. The value of the x of pi over 2 is here given. This is the pi over 2. It is here negative 1. If we plug in the value of the t, is the pi over 2 in this equation. If we put the value of the t is the pi over 2 in this equations, then we will get the value of the a. The value of the a will be here, and then we will get the value of the a. Let's substitute the value of the t is the pi over 2 here. Let me use the calculator here. 1 over 5 cosine of 2t. Okay, just let me use 1 over 5 times cosine of 2t. Cos of 2 times t is here the just by cos of pi. Okay, cos of pi minus sine cosine of 3t, 3 pi over 2. Okay, 3 pi over, sorry, this is pi over 2, 3 pi over 2. This is this value. This is how much? Minus 1 over 5. This is minus 1 over 5. Okay, let me write here in the next term. X of t is just minus 1 is here equals to minus 1 over 5, these terms, plus cosine 3t, cosine 3 pi over 2. Just plug in the value of the t as the pi over 2. This is 0. This term will be 0. And a sine 3t. Just sine 3 pi over 2 minus 1. So this will be minus a. Therefore, the value of the a will be just minus 1 over 5 plus 1. This will give just 4 over 5. The value of the a is here obtained as 4 over 5. Let's plug in the value of the a, this value of the a in these equations. After plugging the value of the a in these equations, we will get the value of the x of t. The value of the x of t will be just 4 over 5 by accumulating the like terms. 4 over 5 cosine of 3t plus 4 over 5 sine of 3t plus 1 over 5 cosine of 2t. This will be the final answer. And we have solved this differential equation by using the concept of the Laplace transformation. In our next video, we will discuss more about such type of the problems. Please keep watching, keep loving this channel, and don't forget to subscribe it. This much for today. Thank you.